Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate and unlock the power of NFC on your Android device. So in here, I'm going to first tell you the NFC function. So NFC or near field communications will allow users to make secure transactions, exchange digital content, and also connect electronic devices with just a touch. So if you want to activate it on your phone, you can just go to the settings. And on my phone in here, I'm going to just go to the Bluetooth and devices. You'll see the NFC, but it might be different on your phone. So you can also just click on the search column and type in NFC to find the settings. This one. So this is the NFC setting. You can see that the status is now currently off. So I'm going to just activate it by clicking on this button. So now it's on. And here when using an NFC, I need to hold my phone's NFC sensor close to the NFC device because the transmission are short range. So you need to make the two device closer. So in here you can see this is contactless payment. You can add the payment method in here. You can use add payment, access card, or SIM card payment. You can also add adjust the payment settings or use the default payment app. And this is the SIM card payment, but it is not found on my device. And here you can also add an access card. So you can simulate physical access card so you can swipe your phone to easily get access. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.